Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Sensory Centers. Today we are doing something that's a little more of a craft, but it's still sensory and it's kind of fun for the kids. This is called Find the Hidden Letters. So all you need is a piece of white paper, a white crayon, watercolors, water, and paintbrush. So all you have to do is you have your white paper. This one I've obviously colored in already, but you just take your white crayon and write letters or a message or something on the white paper. You're obviously not going to be able to see it right after you write it because it's in white on white. But then what you do is you give it to the kids. You give them it looks like a blank paper, and then you give them watercolors. You could also, if you have bigger watercolors than this, you could let them finger paint with the watercolors if they're real small, so they can just stick their finger in the water, stick it in the pot, and rub it on the paper. But if they're a little older, this is good for teaching motor skills because it's teaching them how to hold objects, so it's teaching them how to hold the paintbrush. But you just give it to them. Tell them there is a secret message hidden on this piece of paper and they have to use the watercolors to find it. You could always help them out and get them started with the first letter if they're having a hard time figuring it out. But it's really fun. They can use any colors that they want. And because the crayon is wax, when you go over it on the paper, that shows up and therefore your secret message shows up. So our secret message was, "We love Castle Shannon Library," which is a little hard to see, but that is what it says. And it's just fun for them. And this, you can do this over and over. It's very minimal supplies. It's probably things that you already have at home that you can use, and it can be hours of fun. You could even turn this into a scavenger hunt and hide little pieces of paper around the house with the secret messages on them. Then they'll have to bring them back to their workstation to, decode what the next thing is. Or you could even, for a little older kids, you could do some kind of cipher puzzle or something to keep them entertained. And you could even do a scavenger hunt outside with it, and use water from the hose and finger paint with the paints, or have little stations set up. So there's plenty of ideas that you can do with this. It's a very basic concept that you could use at the most basic level, or you could amp it up if you're feeling adventurous. But that is our Sensory Centers for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this very quick and easy activity. We hope you're enjoying your summer, and we hope to see you back here at the library soon. Have a great day.